Hello guys, we are at Siam Square, the popular area in Bangkok, and we have
A little market.
Yes.
In a while we didn't see that here.
yeah, usually it's empty, but now as the easing of Bangkok restriction,
The first time we
we see
see it, yeah. So nice.
let's go see what they have. Some street food. It's really nice to see some stores now here.
A night market in Bangkok
Yeah,
open.
like it's not like packed as usual, but at least we have some stores. You can have some drinks, some food. I think they prepare some Thai salad here, like noodle salad. Here we have a fashion zone.
The Siam Square One Mall.
Yes. So it's the main mall in the Siam Square area. Yeah, they have some French fries.
French fries. I don't know why, but I don't feel like I'm in Bangkok right now. Like I feel
Yes. Yeah, true. I feel
somewhere
like
else.
feel like in a small market in a small town, like somewhere like Hawaii or
Yeah.
like a small town with a small market, just few stores and not too many people, but selling everything like clothes and food. But it's really nice. I really like the atmosphere now. Some pants, 200 baht.
It's funny because it's a little shop and you can see just behind the shop you have the cars
Yeah,
of the owner of the shop. It's the first time we see it here, right?
yeah. Usually they don't park the car here. But yeah, we can see that a lot of businessmen just came here, park their car, and just install the stores.
Yeah,
To
just
sell.
few items of their shops maybe. It's
We're-
Friday, 6 p.m. Not many people outside.
Yeah, not too many. Ah, look at these beautiful colors.
You can see it in the camera.
Yeah,
The beautiful pink and blue.
we have beautiful colors of a building.
Oh, I was talking about
No, yeah,
of
but
the
also,
sky.
but also the sky. The sky also, the blue, little bit pink. Small square here, so you can sit and just enjoy.
You can buy food over there and come here, sit and eat.
Sometimes there is some people performing some
Dancing,
show, yeah. So it's really nice. It's a really nice place, appreciated by young people. Just like to come here to hang out, because there's a lot of coffee shop, dessert shop like this one after you, but also a lot of restaurant and food and shop. Chicken Club.
Wow, look at the sky. Orange, pink, blue.
Beautiful.
I have to take a picture.
Look at the sky, guys. It's pinky orange. Here there is also usually a market, but not today. Chester. I think Chester is a local fast food. You can find chicken and hamburger. Ah, some Blackpink. Look at this cool guy. Yeah. Did you take your pictures?
Yeah, I tried.
But you failed.
I don't know, I have to check on the computer, but looks nice.
Where we can see the Sephora is the Siam Center.
Siam Center, that's great.
It's another mall. Yeah, because around this area, so we can find a lot of mall. We have a Siam Square one, we have a Siam Paragon,
Yeah,
Siam Center, and not too far also the MBK, the famous MBK for tourists, where you can buy a lot of cheap clothes and souvenirs. Oh, look at this Fire Tiger. Very popular bubble tea shop. Where you want to go? At left?
Okay. We can go, yeah, to the MBK, in the direction
Okay.
of the MBK.
Okay, we can move forward to the MBK.
To go to the MBK, you can also get off at the National Stadium, BTS, to be closer to the MBK Mall. But if you like to walk, you can get off at Siam Station here, Siam BTS, and then walk to the MBK. It's like 5-10 minutes walk.
Yeah.
You will see. We are going there.
Okay, the busy street. You can buy food everywhere
Yeah.
in Bangkok. At each corner of the street, you have a food stall, and you can find like everything. Like if you want something salty, or if you want something sweet, or drink. Really easy. Is it your favorite area?
The
Siam Square?
Yeah, it's one of my favorites. I think I can be a little bit hesitant with the Chinatown,
Ah,
Old
yes.
Town,
Yeah.
but it's really different.
Yeah.
Here it's modern and busy and many lights. Oh,
Look at the balloon. Why there is so many balloons? This is a new shop. I don't know what they sell. A tea, maybe? Yes, tea.
drink, beverage.
Looks nice. Maybe we can try one day. Yeah, so you like this area, Chinatown also?
Yep.
But yes, yeah, it's really different. Because here we are more in the modern town. Chinatown it's more old town. So the vibe is really different.
I don't know if I can choose one between
Yeah.
Chinatown and Siam.
Yeah, it's really not the same.
Maybe here it's more for
Shopping.
coffee, shopping,
Yeah.
because you can go from mall to another mall
Yes.
really easily. So for one day shopping, it's a place to go.
Yeah.
But for Chinatown, if you want to walk around outside,
Explore a
and
little bit.
tiny street with the street art and
The old street.
yeah,
The history.
that's right. I don't know, and you guys, what is your favorite part in Bangkok? Sukhumvit area, Chinatown, Siam, Patronam.
So many areas.
Yeah, so many.
Comment below, guys.
Yeah, comment below.
Yeah, we just arrived. MBK. Yeah, so you can easily spend the whole day here. So many malls, and the malls here is like super big. Huh?
Yeah, one mall is super big.
It's not like one small mall. some exercise. Ah, look at that, beautiful. Here you have also a museum. I don't know.
Exhibition.
Exhibition. I forgot the name. It's a BACC, I think.
Yeah.
And there is also a part 3. So you can just go inside and see some exhibition, and sometimes they have really interesting things to show. So if you have some spare time here, you can go there and see some and learn some new things here. Wow, amazing. MBK Center with a big TV. Okay guys, thank you for watching. It was really a nice walk, and
Hope you enjoy it.
yes, and
See you in the next one.
yay, bye bye.
Bye.